What's good, crypto fam? Welcome back to the channel. The king is BACK, and it's bigger than ever. Just smashed a new all-time high of $122,838, fueling a raging bull market. With a $56.91 billion 24-hour trading volume, a $2.4 trillion market cap, and a 100.7% surge over the past year, BTC is on fire. Is this the start of a historic run, or are we nearing a top? Let's dive into the numbers, unpack the catalysts, and analyze what's next for Bitcoin. Smash that like button, grab your energy drink, and let's roll. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more crypto heat. Let's kick things off with the big news. Bitcoin hit a record high of $122,838 on July 14, 2025. Per Binance, surpassing its previous peak of $111,999 on May 22, 2025. Over the past year, BTC's up 100.7%, and its 24-hour trading volume is a massive $56.91 billion. Though CoinMarketCap reported an even wilder $147.11 billion recently. The market cap now stands at a colossal $2.4 trillion, making Bitcoin the undisputed heavyweight of crypto. This tightening supply and rising open interest, with 95% of BTC supply in profit, signaling strong bullish momentum. This isn't just a pump, it's a full-on bull market. So, what's driving this insanity? Here's my take on the top drivers behind Bitcoin's parabolic run. Institutional. FOMO, US spot Bitcoin ETFs are soaking up BTC like never before, with $49.86 billion in cumulative inflows and $800 million over 3 days in July, led by BlackRock's IBIT holding 700,307 BTC. Tightening supply. Reports, long-term holders and smaller entities are accumulating faster than miners can produce, with only $7.85 billion in new BTC issued in 2025 versus $28.22 billion bought by ETFs and corporates like with 19.7 million BTC circulating out of a 21 meters max supply. Scarcity is driving prices up. Macro shifts. The Federal Reserve's balance sheet dropped $13 billion in June to $6.66 trillion, and Treasury holdings are down $1.56 trillion, pushing investors to alternatives like Bitcoin. Pro-crypto policies, like the Big Beautiful Bill boosting Ethereum to $3,000, are fueling optimism. Market sentiment. The Fear and Greed Index is at 70 greed, and bull flag and falling wedge breakout call project $140,000 as a realistic target. Meme coins and DeFi tokens are also rallying, showing a broad market upswing. This is a perfect storm of institutional money, supply squeeze, and bullish vibes. Let's break out the charts for some technical analysis. Bitcoin's $122,838 high is a new milestone, and the trend is screaming bullish. Here's what I'm seeing. Price levels. The $111,999 level, May 22nd, ETH is now support, with buyers stepping in hard. Resistance lies at $140,000 volume. The $56.91 billion 24-hour volume and $147.11 billion. Per CoinMarketCap shows intense buying pressure, up 88.5% from the prior day. RSI. The relative strength index is likely overbought above 70. Per Investex daily analysis, a bullish engulfing pattern with a 78% win rate signals more upside, but a pullback to $100,000 could hit if profit-taking kicks in. Moving averages. The 50-day MA, around $90,000, is well below the current price. Acting as support, a golden cross 50-day over 200-day MA confirms the uptrend. Key levels to watch. Support at $111,999, $115,000. Resistance at $130,000, $140,000. If volume holds, $180,000 is possible, but overbought signals warrant caution. Let's keep it real. Bitcoin's volatile, and risks are lurking. Overbought signals RSI above 70 and elevated funding rates. Macro. Uncertainty. President Trump's July 9th trade deadline postponement could spook markets per BRN. Analysts, Fed rate hikes or bond market shifts could also pressure BTC. Profit-taking, with 95% of supply in profit. Short-term holders may sell, as seen in recent on-chain data. IBIT's $418.1 million outflow day in February shows even ETFs aren't immune. Altcoin competition. Meme coins like $Monu plus 700% and $M plus 1,250% are stealing speculative capital, potentially capping BTC's upside. Use stop losses and don't go at the peak. So, what's next for Bitcoin? The fundamentals are rock solid. 19.7 meters, circulating supply. institutional ETF inflows, and a 21 meters hard cap. Analysts are hyped. Cointelegraph cites $300,000 in dove-year targets. Short-term, watch for a breakout above $130,000 or a dip to $100,000. Long-term, Bitcoin's scarcity and institutional adoption make it a beast. Alright crypto fam, that's the full scoop on Bitcoin's epic bull market comeback. Hitting $122,838 with a $2.4 trillion market cap, BTC is proving why it's the king. Are you hodling, trading, or waiting for a dip? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If this video got you pumped, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell for more crypto breakdowns. And always DYOR before investing. Stay sharp, stay stacking, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's ride this Bitcoin wave to the moon. Peace out.